Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create your own AI influencer for Instagram. It's no complex prompts, no coding, just fast results. In this tutorial, we are using Zepro, a platform that lets you design a hyper-realistic AI model that can generate photos and video and even monetize them. First, just search for Zepro AI in your browser and then click this page and then just click create your influencer and then just sign up with your Google account. So you will be taken to this page like this and then just click create new influencer and next just fill in details like a name, ethnicity, hair color, and then age, a color and more. You can fully customize the look to match your target audience. In this tutorial I will create my influencers like this. And then you can also type your prompt for additional customizations. But in this tutorial, I will not use this custom prompt. So I will just click continue directly. Like this, and then several AI will give you several options. Just choose one that you like. In this tutorial, I will choose this one. And then just click complete influencer. Like this. And once your model is ready, just click generate content, this one. Next, you can choose generate image or if you have a pro plan, you can also create a video. And in this tutorial, I will try to generate image. Just click on it. You can either choose quick gem or easy generations. If you choose quick generations, it will create image instantly. So in this tutorial, I will try this one. Next, just choose your style, like amateur photo or professional photo, and many more. Just choose one that you like. In this tutorial, I will choose this one. And then you can also adjust the orientations, and then adjust the rating, and you can also choose how many outputs that you want. In this tutorial, I will just choose one output and then just click generate. And see the several AI has created an incredible realistic photo like this. And then if you want to download it, just click download this one. And if you want to generate a video and you have a pro plan, you can just click generate video to make a video of your influencer. And after that, you can post it for Instagram posts or reels. And that's it. In just minutes, you have built an AI influencer ready to grow on Instagram. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.